Yan, ang ganda. So if you... Howdy friends, this is Teacher Da, and welcome to That's It channel. Alright, hello once again everyone. So welcome back to my YouTube channel. And once again, thank you so much for every subscribers that I have. So maraming salamat po sa pagsuporta. And also for those who already watched my recent video regarding fundamental operations. So I hope marami po akong natulungan na maalala or bagong natutunan yung mga bagay na diniscuss natin doon. Okay? And watch out for my upcoming videos. So marami pa tayong pag-uusapan at pagsasamahan. If you just new to this channel, please like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell to be updated for more videos soon. For today's video, meron tayong pag-uusapan na tiyak napakarami ng makaka-relate, especially for those common people in the province. So, hello, shout out sa lahat ng mga taga-probinsya dyan. Isa na ako doon. Matagal ko na itong napapansin, napakarami natin na mga encounter na ganitong sitwasyon. Nakakatawa, nakakaaliw, pero hindi natin masyadong napapansin na may something pala na kailangan nating malaman. So, I prepared 2 video clips for the example of our content today. Watch this.
Ano yun? Tupperware daw po na pinaglagyan ng ulam niya. Ay, saglit. Kukunin ko lang ha. Friend, ito. Thank you. Thank you po. Looks like ba ang... Tupperware? May chili. Girl, may chili. Friend, meron kayong Colgate na red? Naku, ang Colgate na pula namin ay close up. Colgate na pula namin ay close up. Colgate na close up? Ano yun?
Okay, nakarelate ka ba? So for sure, ang daming nakarelate sa video na yan. Kasi bakit ba tayo mga Pinoy, ang hilig-hilig natin magtabi ng mga container, kahit lalagyan lang ng candy, gagamitin ulit natin, at ang pinakakaraniwan ay ang lagayan ng ice cream. So, ang ating mga nanay, ang hilig-hilig nilang i-reuse yung ating mga ice cream containers. Kaya naman, pag nakakita ka ng lalagyan ng ice cream sa ref, magdadalawang isip ka muna, ice cream ba to o isda? Isa pa sa mga karaniwang ganitong encounter natin tayong mga students. Kapag ka tayo ay magpapa-photocopy, instead na photocopy ang sabihin natin, sinasabi natin ay pa-Xerox, Bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng ganoong situation? At yan ang ating topic for today's content dito sa English 101 Talk. But before we continue, I would just like to shout out JK Photography for being ever supportive, for lending me his camera for this vlogging, and also being my videographer for every video clips that we are exposing here. So thank you so much, JK Photography, owned by Kristen J. Clumbera. So he's a freelance photographer. Kaya after ng pandemic at kailangan niya ng isang magaling at affordable na photographer, just visit the JK Photography so that you can see his sample works. And going back to the videos that you have watched, so bakit nga ba nagkakaroon ng mga ganong situation? That is what you call general trademarks or genericized trademarks. So ano nga ba ang genericized trademarks? It happens for 3 reasons. First one, the product becomes so popular. Sa sobrang sikat nito, that brand becomes the common name. Number 2, the common name or the general name of the product is too long. So alam natin yan mga Pinoy, lahat ng mahaba, pinapaikli. Kaya naman ang mga text messages natin ngayon, ang hirap-hirap na minsan i-interpret. Lalong-lalo na ang mga thunderbolts. And the last one, the general name is hard to pronounce or hard to remember. Especially kapag ka-English term na yan or medyo scientific na yung term. So, hindi na natin masyadong makareer ang pagsasabi niyan. Kaya, yung mas madali na lang. So, for today's video, I prepared a cylindrical box here that contains 10 general trademarks that we commonly encounter. But, since gusto kong magkaroon ng maraming guests sana, kaya lang dahil pandemic pa, hindi pa tayo pwedeng magsama ng marami, kaya nag-isip na lang ako ng way paano ako magkakaroon ng maraming guests. And for this video, we will call it Ask Your Friends. And my friends to ask are you. So kayo ang sasagot sa aking mga question. So, simple lang. I will pick a word here and then I will give 2 choices for the correct answers. Then, you will have 3 to 5 seconds to guess what is the common name for the general trademark here. Are you ready? Let's start! Escalator. Yes. So, escalator is also a general trademark of, what do you think? A moving stairway or a ladderized elevator? Think. And yes, escalator is commonly a moving stairway. Yes, escalator was actually a brand name, but in 1950, it was being included in the public lexicon. That is why, at present, we are accepting escalator as the common name. And, isa pang paalala related sa escalator, kapag po tayo ay gumagamit ng escalator, we need to be aware where will we stand for walking and for just standing. Huwag naman tayo nasa gitna na parang tayo ang nagpagawa ng escalator. Char! Isipin naman natin yung mga nasa likod or yung may mga nagmamadali. Let's have the next word. Ziploc. Yes, it's also a brand name of what common product? Is it a cellophane or a resealable plastic storage bag? Obviously, Ziploc is a resealable plastic storage bag. It was produced by the Dow Company but soonly owned by the Johnson & Son Company. Ang Ziploc ay gamit na gamit sa mga parties, lalo-lalo na ng mga fans ni megastar Sharon Cuneta. Char! So kapag nakarelate ka, appear. If not, so share ko lang, kapag may fiestahan sa amin, kasi kapag ka may fiestahan sa amin, sa barangay namin, kasi alam nyo na yan, sa probinsya, isa sa pinakamasasayang okasyon ay fiesta. Kahit walang pera, ipangungutang. So since yung bahay namin, nasa dulo, kapag ka fiesta sa amin, dahil yung mga bisita, maraming dadaanan ng mga kapitbahay din namin. Bago makarating sa amin, alam na lang nila sinasabi sa amin, busog na kami, babalutin na lang namin. Ano nangyayari? Parang kami natitinda ng ulam na balot-balot na. And let's have the third word. Hula hoop. Yes, hula hoop is a brand name for, what do you think? Dancing ring or a waist toy? Yes, it's a dancing ring or the so-called toy hoop. Hula hoop is actually a brand name of a dancing ring which was first introduced in the hit song Omi. It was produced by the toy company Wham-O. And let's have the next word. So, mine na lang po. Char! Online shopping pala. Let us have Scotch tape. Scotch tape is a one-sided tape or a clear adhesive tape. Scotch tape is a clear adhesive tape. Pero since parang ito lang naman yung alam nating brand ng tape, Scotch tape, right? So, it was actually produced by the 3M company. Next, we have thermos. So, thermos is also a brand name of a heater or a vacuum flask. Thermos is commonly known as a vacuum flask. So, di ba, ang hirap i-pronounce at ang hirap laging sasabihin mo pa na vacuum flask. Eh, samantalang thermos lang naman yun sa Pinas. Char! Next word we have Band-Aid. So, Band-Aid is a brand name for a cloth tape or an adhesive bandage. Think. Friends, Band-Aid is a brand name of an adhesive bandage. Pero since parang ito lang naman yung kilala nating brand ng adhesive bandage, right? Kaya ito yung madalas natin na nakikilala. Okay, let's have our next word. Jet ski. So, jet ski is also a brand name of a watercraft or a water motorcycle. Think. Yes, jet ski is a watercraft. Sa mga mahilig mag-beach dyan, so mas nakakasyala na sabihin na watercraft. Kasi mamaya baka hindi naman jet ski brand yung ginagamit natin. So, wapolis pa tayo. Char! It was actually produced by the Kawasaki Heavy Industries. So, next word. Jacuzzi. Yan, syala-syala din ang mga may jacuzzi. Char! Jacuzzi is a brand name of a hot tub or a small pool. Think. Jacuzzi is commonly known as a hot tub. Did you know that jacuzzi was actually invented for a hydrotherapy for arthritis? Pang-therapy pala talaga ang jacuzzi, hindi pang syala-syala. Char! Pero di ba sa probinsya, kapag gusto mong ma-relax, tumalong ka na lang sa ilog. And we're down to our last two words. Zipper. Zipper is also a brand name of a vertical button or a zip fastener. Zipper is commonly known as zip fastener. It was actually produced by the B.F. Goodrich Company for boots. Yes, so sa rubber boots, unang ginamit ang zipper. And we have the last word. Eto, marami din ang makaka-relate dito. Polo. So, do you think it is commonly known as a sport shirt or a collared shirt? Polo is actually a brand name of a collared shirt. It was invented by a French tennis player, René Lacoste. Yes, Lacoste na brand. So he actually invented this because he was a tennis player. So he thought of very comfortable shirt na pwedeng gamitin while playing tennis. And those are the most common general trademarks that we often encounter. Nakailang correct answer ka? Comment below. If you know general trademarks other than that, please feel free to comment down para mas marami pa tayong matutunan. And that's it. So I hope for this content, you also learned something new or nakarelate kayo sa mga napag-usapan natin today. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope for the next videos, you will join me as well. So again, do not forget to like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and also don't forget my Facebook page, Teacher Dak. So please like, share, and follow my Facebook page. So do not forget to ring the notification bell so that you will be updated for more videos. That's it!